Welcome to Lesson 2 of our course, Blockchain and Cryptocurrency 101, Understanding the Basics. In this lesson, we will be diving into the world of cryptocurrency, starting with Bitcoin. We will discuss its role as the first decentralized cryptocurrency, the mining process, and how new Bitcoins are created. We will also give you an overview of other major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. You will learn about the characteristics that define cryptocurrencies and how they differ from traditional forms of currency. We will also discuss the use cases and potential benefits of each cryptocurrency. By the end of this lesson, you will have a good understanding of the different types of cryptocurrencies and how they work. You will also have a better idea of which cryptocurrencies may be a good investment opportunity. As always, don't forget to take the quiz and complete the lab assignments provided in the lesson. It will help you to retain the knowledge. We look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Let's get started. In the second lesson, we will talk about three topics. 1. Introduction to Bitcoin and its role as the first decentralized cryptocurrency. 2. Explanation of the mining process and how new Bitcoins are created. 3. Overview of other major cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. First, let's start with a brief introduction to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first decentralized cryptocurrency. It uses a decentralized network of nodes to keep track of transactions. These transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. Each block in the blockchain is connected to the previous block through a cryptographic hash. Bitcoin was created in 2008 by the mysterious person or group of people known as Satoshi Nakamoto. The goal of Bitcoin was to create a digital currency that could be used peer-to-peer without the need for a central authority. The idea of Bitcoin caught on quickly, and it quickly became the first successful implementation of blockchain technology. Now that we have an understanding of what Bitcoin is and its history, let's move on to the next topic where we will be discussing the process of mining Bitcoins. In this topic, we will be discussing the process of mining Bitcoins and how new Bitcoins are created. In order to create new Bitcoins, a process called mining is used. Miners use their computational power to solve a complex mathematical puzzle. The first miner to solve the puzzle is rewarded with a block reward, which is currently 12.5 Bitcoins. This block reward is also the only way new Bitcoins are created. The process of mining is also used to secure the Bitcoin network. Miners compete to solve the mathematical puzzle, and the first miner to solve it gets to add the next block to the blockchain. This process ensures that the blockchain is secure and that all transactions are valid. It's important to note that mining is a competitive process and it requires a lot of computational power. It's not recommended for individuals to mine Bitcoin at home, as it is not profitable without specialized hardware and cheap electricity. Now that we have an understanding of the mining process, let's move on to the next topic where we will be discussing other major cryptocurrencies. In this final topic of our second lesson, we will be discussing other major cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin. Ethereum is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies after Bitcoin. It was created in 2015 by a programmer named Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum is similar to Bitcoin in that it is a decentralized digital currency, but it also has its programming language which allows for the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications. Litecoin is another major cryptocurrency that was created in 2011 as a fork of Bitcoin. It is similar to Bitcoin in many ways, but it has faster transaction times and a different consensus mechanism. Ripple is a digital currency that was created in 2012 to be used for global financial transactions. It is different from Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in that it is not based on a decentralized network. Instead, it is based on a centralized network of trusted nodes that validate transactions. These are just a few examples of the many major cryptocurrencies that exist today. Each one has its unique features and use cases. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known decentralized cryptocurrency, while Ethereum is a platform for building decentralized applications. Litecoin is a faster and more efficient version of Bitcoin, and Ripple is a digital currency designed for global financial transactions. It's important to note that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and constantly changing. It's important to do your research and be aware of the risks before investing in any cryptocurrency. To summarize this lesson, we've covered the basics of Bitcoin and its role as the first decentralized cryptocurrency, the process of mining Bitcoins and how new Bitcoins are created, and an overview of other major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Next lesson, we will be discussing smart contracts and decentralized applications. Congratulations on completing Lesson 2 of our course, Blockchain and Cryptocurrency 101, Understanding the Basics. In this lesson, we covered the basics of Bitcoin and its role as the first decentralized cryptocurrency, the mining process, and how new Bitcoins are created. We also gave you an overview of other major cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple, and highlighted the characteristics that define cryptocurrencies and how they differ from traditional forms of currency. You should now have a good understanding of the different types of cryptocurrency and how they work. You should also have a better idea of which cryptocurrencies may be a good investment opportunity. In the next lesson, we will be discussing smart contracts and decentralized applications. We will be explaining what smart contracts are and how they work, discussing decentralized applications, dApps, and their potential uses, and providing an overview of Ethereum and its role as a platform for building dApps. Don't forget to take the quiz and complete the lab assignments provided in the lesson. It will help you to retain the knowledge. We look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Stay tuned and keep learning.